so that where the ped button is, you have a landing area that you would be able to turn your chair in any direction that you needed to access the.
Yeah, that'd be great, because like coming up here and then like trying to hit the button, you know, you roll.
That's
because
why,
the slope.
Yeah, in the future, this would all be flat for you.
We have a safety improvement project for Grants Pass here. We've got a new signal going in at 6th and Morgan, and we're going to be updating the ADA ramps and crosswalk facilities for pedestrians at a number of locations here within the city. The 6th and Morgan intersection is rather unique, which makes it very challenging for a lot of the folks that come into the area. It was really pretty functional back in the early days of the interstate when the traffic volumes were a lot less. And the intersection at 6th and Morgan in past years has been the top crash location in the state of Oregon. So that made it a focus for us to make some improvements.
So to see how tippy this is, Gary? See how that wheel comes off the ground so easy? Because the angle, the slope. These are something that we've been needing for a long time, was a new standard, a new way that every design that you encounter will be completely the same.
I love the curb cuts. In my opinion, don't worry if it's within 1 degree of a gradient.
The work that ODOT is doing on a local basis and on a statewide basis is giving people in their communities back their freedom and their independence, as they're going to be able to access their community in a much grander way.